Hello learners, today we talk about the wireless mobile sensor network. I am Parvesh Kumar. Here is my Gmail ID to contact me. In this video, we talk about the mobile sensor network setup, how with the gather the information around the sensor network and where is the application of the mobile sensor network. In earlier video I already introduced the sensor node mode like static and mobile. There are two sensor mode available here. So firstly I introduce a brief introduction to stationary WSN. In the stationary WSN we learn about that the, the nodes are in a static manner. They are not movable. They gather the information and store and forward this message to each and every node here. But the problem is here that if a node is failure due to is conjunction due to a hardware failure, so there it creates a different while a different network like here the a node is failure due to hardware failure, yeah, any other reason, so it creates two different network like one. It creates a two different network in, so it creates a very has problem to our network. The only solution is the mobile sensor network. How we use this mobile sensor network to gather the information around here, we use next of our slides. Like there is a stationary WSN points. These are static, they are easy deployment, they are an a optimized distance is maintained, an easy topology, and there's disadvantage node failure make partition of network we already talk about, and topology can't be changed automatically. Now we talk about the mobile sensor network. Mobile resolution is mobile sensor ad hoc network. It is infrastructure-less network. Like it has a dynamic topology, and it has some properties like it is self-configure, self-heal, self-optimize, and self-protect. In documentation how it gather the information we learn about in this slide. In the undulation here the sync parameter, and around there is a various node sensor nodes available here. How it the sensor node are mobile type, they are movable. How it get the data, there is a process, it gather the data, and when it comes to the parameter or communication link to the sync node, it delivered the all the data to sync node like here, and then it moves around. Then the sensor node moves around to their next position is defined, and come to here in the parameter and deliver the data. Here all the processes come and go to deliver the data here amdolution work. There is various type of gather the data, like mobile sync. In the mobile sync, the sync is moved here to deliver the query and gather the information through the sync node. Then it move to the next object. It gather the data from the sensor node, and then it move to the next node and gathers, and it works like this in the mobile sync. Then another type of data mules. In the data mules, sync node are static. Here the node, a mobile entity collect the data from the sensor node, goes to sync and deliver the collected data from a different sensor node. Here is the mobile entity device. It collects the from the sensor node, move to the sync, gather data, and go to the next node, gather the data, send to the come to the sync node in the communication end, and next collect and deliver the data through the sync node. It works like this. Now we know how a WSN work and deliver the data to the sync node. And then here is the application of WSN where we use it, and how do we daily life used to WSN, like underwater can be linked autonomously, underwater vehicle to monitoring marine life, and terrestrial ambulation like deployed over the, there is a forest in we have deployed in various plotted to a sensor node, a UAV fly over there and it collects the data from the sensor node. And in aerial ambulation we use in this in flight objects to gather the data from the aerial ambulation. Now thank you for listening this video. Please subscribe my channel for more updates and more interesting topic on IoT theory objects. Thank you for